For the first method, we're going to click on the Windows and R key, and then we're going to type in task mgr and click on enter. You could also click on Control, Shift and Escape at the same time, which will bring up Task Manager. Once you're on it, you want to look for Windows Explorer. You might need to scroll down to find it, but once you find it, you want to click on Restart Task and then see if that works. For the next method, click on Windows button and I on your keyboard, which will take you to settings. And then we're going to search right here, Taskbar. And then Taskbar settings should come up, click on that. And then you want to click on Taskbar Behaviors, and then make sure that automatically hide the taskbar is unticked. But if it already is unticked, then just tick it, and then untick it again, and then see if it pops up. For the next method, we're going to click on Windows and R on our keyboard, and then we're going to type in %local app data %, and click on enter. Once you're on it, you want to scroll down, and then you want to look for tile data layer. Not all of you are going to have this, but some of you might have it. So if you do find it, then you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on the trash icon and delete it. Once you delete it, you want to right click on the recycle bin, and then click on empty recycle bin, and click on yes. For the last step, you want to click on Control, Shift and Escape again, which will bring you to Task Manager. Then we're going to head over to Startup Apps, and you want to disable all the apps that you don't want to start up when your computer turns on. The way to do that is by clicking on it, and then click on Disable right here. After you do all the methods in this video, restart your computer. Make sure you click on Restart, don't shut down, click on Restart, then the problem should be fixed.